Hi, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to safely update your PHP version to 8.2 on Bluehost WHM and why this step is important before updating your WordPress plugins and themes. If you don't update PHP, your site might show errors after plugin or theme updates. So, let's do this the right way. Step 1. Log into your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and click Update on all free plugins. Then upload and activate all your paid plugins manually if needed. Step 2. Update your theme. Now, update your theme. In my case, I'm using the Newsmag theme, which is a paid theme, so I'll update it by uploading the latest version manually through Appearance, Themes, Add New Upload Theme. Step 3. Get FTP access. Important. Before updating PHP, it's very important to have FTP access, because if any error appears, you'll need FTP to fix it. To create one, log into your Bluehost account at https://www.bluehost.com/my-account/hosting/list. Go to Advanced FTP Accounts or cPanel FTP Accounts and create a new FTP account. Then connect it using FileZilla. Enter your host, username, password, and port 21. Step 4. Update PHP version from WHM. Once FTP is ready, log in to your WHM panel. In the top left search bar, type MultiPHP Manager and click on it. You'll see a list of all your domains. Select your domain, then from the PHP version dropdown, choose PHP 8.2 and click Apply. Step 5. Verify and test. After that, reload your website. Check if everything works fine. No errors should appear. If something breaks, just use your FTP connection to disable or fix the faulty plugin or theme. That's it. You've successfully updated your WordPress site to PHP 8.2 on Bluehost. Always remember, update plugins, themes, and PHP regularly to keep your website fast, secure, and compatible. Thanks for watching.